Hey our friends, we wanted to make a short little video for you guys to show you what we're working on this week at Blue Barn. We have lots of things that we try to learn and try to figure out, and this week we have been very excited about clay and learning how to work with clay, especially the kids. They've been super excited. We tried this art challenge where we made this little owl figurine that we found from this YouTube channel called Ace of Clay. Really cool channel. Anyways, so we wanted to take that idea and kind of push it a little bit farther. So we found this artwork from this artist called Cam Kendell. He has a cool YouTube channel as well that's family friendly. He had this really cool picture that he made. And while we were looking at, we wanted to make it in 3D. So anyways, this is the character. So we wanted to take this 2D picture and figure out how to make it a three-dimensional thing that you could look at. So you want to tell us about what you're working on?
I'm working on mine.
Okay, tell us about what the colors you're choosing then.
I'm choosing this color. It's a blue one.
Deep blue, it's so pretty.
And then I'm doing a different color for the tail and the body.
Yeah. Do we kind of run into some issues with yours on cracking? Yeah. So we're learning a little bit more about clay and how to make it stronger.
Yeah, I had a crack right there, but I filled it in with paint. And one over here somewhere.
I like how yours sits back on its tail. I think that's really cute.
Thanks.
It's like it's rearing up or something and it's pausing.
Yeah, I could totally see an animal doing that if it had this big strong tail like leaning up like.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, kangaroos do that. They like lean up back on their
like
tails.
a kangaroo.
Oh, and also this kind of dog like stand.
Hi guys, can you tell me about your, what are we calling this creature?
I don't know.
Kind of a griffin.
A griffin?
Well, without wings.
Good point,
Right.
no wings.
A no
Okay.
winged griffin.
What color did you choose for the beak? Because it kind of
Silver
shines.
and bronze.
It looks so cool.
The top is silver and the bottom is bronze.
Yeah, it kind of shines. I think that's really, really cool. So what made you choose orange? What were you thinking there?
Nothing.
I
I just
like-
wanted to do two colors on the opposite side of the color wheel.
That
These
was
two.
smart, the blue and the orange, so it really makes each other stronger. I love that. And I like the nest, how it's the same colors as the beak, huh? It looks awesome.
And then the eggs are silver.
Oh yeah. And it matches your glasses today. You did good. It looks really, really good. Did you have fun?
That was our challenge. So we started with this. You can see the kids and they're working on theirs. We ran into some problems along the way, like the clay was kind of cracking in a couple of spots and having to pick colors, trying to figure out the weight of our characters. But ultimately we got to the point where we started working with paint and started painting our characters, so we had to pick out what colors we wanted to work with. But here's mine. This is how it turned out. Not perfect. Is it exactly like the picture? No, not completely, but it was a fun learning process, right kids? Yeah. And we all had fun making our characters. So whatever you're working on this week, we encourage you, work through the problems you're running into, and don't be too hard on yourself. Art's gonna be tricky, but it's also fun. So anyways, you guys have a great week. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, can you go ahead and push that record button, the red button? It's a little red dot like that. Again. Push it into record mode.
Dad, take a picture.
Like, can you see the start of the hat?
Here.
Okay.
Top's missing, I just don't want to be missing like this much. Can you see like right here?
Yep.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
I don't know.
So let me kick you out of the seat. Okay, Hiram.
Okay.
Hey, our friends, this is Nate. I just wanted to let you guys know what we're working on this week. It's a tight squeeze. We won't use that part of.
Yeah, with mine, I had a little issue where I was trying to build it in... That's for the tail, though, okay? It's not a bum. Anyways, I was on mine. I was trying to build it in 2 pieces, so I had to figure out a way to connect them. So, use my drill, and now I can connect it and have my final sculpture. Yeah, Ainsley's made some other little sculptures, too, with the excess clay. That's like one of her favorite things to do.